30th today. Had off Labor Day on the Monday, so I decided to take the other 4 days off of vacation that I've left and head out to Wyoming. I was going to go to Idaho. I planned on it about 2 months ago, and then about 2 weeks ago there started to be two wildfires that were really close to the trail, but there was alternates around it. And then about, I think it was last week, about a week ago, I found out that the fires were really close to the trail. The Idaho BDR is what I was going to do, so they were really close to the trail, and they closed off two sections of it actually, pretty much. And I guess the first section of the trail isn't that great, so it didn't pay to just do half the trail. Kind of want to do the whole thing, really. So I heard the Wyoming BDR is pretty sweet, so that's where I'm heading to now. I think it's 950 miles. I'm hoping to do it in like 4 days, which will give me 2 or 3 days to go into Montana. I'm thinking right now, at least, going to Montana and do some exploring up there a little bit. And then on the way home, planning on hitting up the North Dakota High Point, because I haven't been there yet. And it's on the way, so do that on the way home. So, should be a good trip. Heading out at 2:15. Somewhere fairly soon, I think, and then want to get to South Dakota tonight, which is I think 8 or 10 hours away. I think it's 8 hours. So we'll see how far we get before I fall asleep. Not while driving, but at a rest stop. And yeah, should be a fun trip. I drove from till about 10, I think it was, or 9:30. And then I slept, I think, 3 hours. Got up a little after midnight. And then I was pretty awake until about 4. So I drove 4 hours and then took an hour nap. And here we are at 7 o'clock. I think I got 7 hours to go yet, 6 hours. Yeah, it's going. Long day of driving. In Wyoming, about 2 hours away from the start of the Wyoming BDR trail. At 7,600 feet right now. Mountains are starting to be visible. Pretty cool. Just fill up the gas in Bags, Wyoming, right near the Colorado border. 3 o'clock, and heading out. Trail starts here, I guess. And then there's a road up here to the right in about 7 miles that is gravel, so right up there, probably let some air of the tires, and then yeah, have some fun hopefully. And the gravel section has begun. Pretty rough so far, actually. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's kind of a lot of potholes and stuff. I'm only like half a mile in, but yeah, it should be good. Already looks like a big hill right here. That's pretty cool. This is awesome already. 25 miles so far, and then now I hit the paved road, Wyoming 70 it is. Pretty sweet little section there. I think there's still 20 miles in section 1 or something. I don't know, it might be more than that. So we'll drive to the next gravel, dirt, sandy road, and then yeah, it's only 4:45, so we got about 3 hours till dark. See how far we get tonight. Pretty fun so far. A lot of cool views. There is this red route is like the expert harder route or something, and it goes up to 11,000 foot pass or something, or mountain. I'm just gonna take the normal route tonight. I think this still goes up to like 9,500 or 10,000 feet too. There's some mountain up over here somewhere. But I'm just gonna take it easy today and not do anything crazy. Not do anything crazy this trip, really. Just stay on the route. So, ooh, that looks like a good spot too. I'm at about 9,000 feet, and I kind of got a headache starting, so I kind of want to get lower, like to 7,000 or so. Show you the views as I'm talking. You don't want to look at me anyway. So, I'm trying to work my way down the mountain a little bit here, and yeah, this is cool. But there's been a lot of cool campsites along the way here, and been pretty rocky the last couple miles. Now we're heading back down, it looks like, so hopefully it'll get a little smoother. And then find a place to camp. Gotta eat yet, it's 6:30. Gets dark at like 7:30, I think, so I got about an hour. But we'll just work our way down a little bit more here. Actually, this looks pretty sweet here. Too bad there's all that smoke. This is awesome right here. That's the end of the first episode. There's a lot more off-road action to come.